Hey, man, boy! We're back here partying. I'll rap without you. I don't need you to rap.
You gotta grab it and growl. Fuck it and feed it beans, that's what my grandpa always said. I guess I can try this. This isn't even a real song, I just like to do it at live shows. So you'll never hear this again. With all your boots on, knee deep in the poop storm. It's cold hand, lukewarm and battle cat bard. I'm riding around in them Cadillac cars, trying to act hard with the Cadillac scars. Emergency consoles and brick road flares. On them dusty roads like Uncle goes there. Eating a Rossi taco, the Paco pad. Got so dang, it's not so bad. Gnarly grub got me farting blood. 75-cent cans of old mills down at Charlie's pub. I spent a week there one night. Saw a horse and runner skis and did a keg stand over the gunfight. They like beat, please stop, don't touch my cheese hots. When my beat stops getting nasty with the beat drops. Stereo system's too loud. When should I move out? They like oops out, the band seems too wild. Resistance is futile, can't stop the zucchini. My big bro Houdini, body slam the blue meanie. Bungle in the hobo jungle, but Aqualumbo jangles. And his dog like no grundling. Rock a pupil point shirt with a button missing. A pair of sweatpants, the brand's bum equipment. A honey listener, I ain't money spending. Megalodon one, yes, this is fronty pimping. By the way, we are Dinosaur Burps. My name's MC Shitbag and this is DJ Deathbus Snoo Snoo. We came to do your drugs. Yeah, we're just getting warmed up. Right now we're playing a game called Just the Tip. So everybody back there at the bar, and I'm gonna punch them in the mouth with my dick if they don't come back here. They might like that too much.